Alright guys, I'm going to show you this lower rail by LongShot Manufacturing today. It's for the Hipoint carbines. So this is brand new from them. The interesting feature with this rail is if you look closely, okay, there's the factory one. See those straight Picatinny slots? This rail will accept any system, okay, M-Lok, KeyMod, or just straight up Picatinny. Also, you can see all those holes there. Maybe you can see, it depends on the lighting here. They're actually, they have threads, okay? So with like the M-Lok, for example, I'm not sure about KeyMod because I've never used KeyMod myself, if they use cams or not, but the M-Lok definitely uses the little cams. If you've ever used M-Lok, you're familiar with that, and it's a pain in the butt to line them up and all that. With these, you just use the bolt and just screw it right into the rail. You don't have to mess with aligning that cam and all that crap. So that's really nice that you get to eliminate that. So not only will this accept a standard Picatinny mount, accessories, M-Lok accessories, or KeyMod, but you don't have to use those stupid little cams either. So obviously this is metal, okay? These are built to really high tolerances. They even build stuff for the FBI, so YouTube won't let me show you guys how to install this, so I'm going to cut the camera here and we'll get this old one off and install the new one and we'll try it out. Say everything they make for these, they come with full instructions also, so that's really nice. Alright, so there's with the new one installed. It already looks so much better. It is a little bit longer. I believe they make different sizes. I'm not 100% sure. I know the top rails, they make a whole bunch of different sizes. The bottom rail ones they made, but don't quote me. Either way, that one's longer, which is nicer. I got more options for mounting stuff. It just looks a lot better than that plastic piece. So, alright, I brought my M-Lok grip off of my AR, so I'm gonna throw that on there and try it out. That's gonna be so much nicer than this big clunky freaking Hipoint one that was on there. It's cool that this one stools the tools and stuff, but I don't even have the tool in here right now. This thing is like 5 times as heavy as this at a minimum. So not only can you get a more comfortable grip, okay, you can use whatever you would use on ARs, but it's also a weight reduction. And I much more prefer this over this factory Hipoint piece, and it's a lot lighter. Alright, yep, my M-Lok off my AR just went right on. I did not need the cams. I just used the screws that it came with that would have gone in the cams, and I just screwed it into this rail here, so awesome. Let's go try it out. Alright, I just noticed something else. The rails on these Hipoints suck. It's narrower. See how much, well, maybe if I point the camera at it, that would help. See how much narrower that is? Okay. So I went to put my red dot on here. The top is exactly the same. They're narrow. So only pick mounted stuff with the screw that goes across will fit on these Hipoint rails. If you have the blocks like that, which are wide and they're designed to fit very snug, that way there's no play, it's not going to mount up. So I can't even mount my red dot to this factory Hipoint Picatinny rail because it's not really a Picatinny rail. Only the little screws will fit through there. If you got these blocks that are designed to fit snugly on a real pick rail, it won't go on because they don't fit in between the slots. So I'm going to have to go ahead and install their upper rail just so I can get my red dot on here to shoot it with this foregrip. But we'll do that, and I'm also going to have a video on the upper rail, but it's going to be snuck in there because I got to put it on just to shoot it. Alright, so this came off my AR, so it's probably not, I gotta see where it's hitting. Afterwards. I forgot the charging handle. because we had it out to do the top rail. Can see it in the comment section now, how stupid I am and all that good stuff. I also forgot the proper tools. I gotta go up. Alright, I got it sighted in, so we'll have some fun now. I am not doing well today. Alright. That little one?
Yep.
What the f— that's 20 rounds already. I needed one more bullet. Man, there's 20 targets?
Yeah.
That was crazy. So anyways, guys, there's your lower rail from LongShot. Much easier, much more comfortable to shoot it with my choice of grip instead of what Hipoint supplies. And like I said, you're going to need this lower rail to install anything that's got, well, M-Lok or KeyMod, but even the Picatinny, because the one that's on there, the slots aren't wide enough if you got the block mount instead of the little screws that fit through there. So, and most of the good stuff has those block mounts instead of just the screws going through. So for most of the stuff you want to put on there, you're going to need that rail. So anyways, thanks to LongShot Manufacturing for sending that out to me. That's sweet. I think it's awesome that you can put any system on there, and also awesome that I don't have to mess with those little freaking cams in there. Anyways, make sure you guys go and check them out. It's longshotmanufacturing.com. They make all kinds of stuff for the Hipoint. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a comment. Subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.